Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Dimitra Kumane from Sharad Institute of Technology College of Engineering, Computer Science Department. Today, my topic is electricity system and impact of the environment. Week 1 video details. YouTube link provide. YouTube number of likes 3, number of views 4. Week 1st content green packaging development and use of packaging. With the result is improved sustainability. Week 2 video details. Number of likes 2, number of views 2, weight 2, contain in a brief, lower the carbon emission and also the power consumption. Video outcome, able to know various ISO standards, able to know various air pollution, air movement, able to calculate carbon emission footprint using the various online website and tools, and able to know calculate the cost per unit CFLS. ISO meeting. In the ISO meeting, the internal organization for standardization is a global organization that work is a provide standardization across an array of product and companies. Important of ISO getting benefit of reducing waste, allow you purpose to move efficient way, UMS standard for improvement and sustainable customer success. ISO registration process as following. First, every user can be submit the application to register, and this is the assessment by readiness. In second stage, assessment of the registration process. In third stage you get the 3 years of the certifications. Next, for ISO organization committees, what are the ISO organization committees? Policy development committees. First, second, general council assembly, technical management board. In technical management board, your proposal, whatever your standard, there is a sanction by the technical board. A technical advisory board takes some decision on that particular standardized, and finalize technical committee that finalize your standardization is approval. Some of the standard ISO standard available. ISO 9000 using for the quality management. The quality management is the act of seeing all the activities and tasks that must be accomplished to maintain a desired level of excellence. ISO 14000 that is related for the environmental management. Environmental management can be defined as the management of the interaction and impact of human activities of the natural environment. Environmental management tries to identify the factors that have stake in conflict that may rise between the meeting the needs for protecting the environment. ISO 50001 2018 related for energy management. Energy management can be broadly defined as the proactive, organized and systematic management of energy used in a building or organization to satisfy both environment and economic requirement. Next, IEC 27000 Information Security and Management System related standard. The standard describes the purpose of an information security management system (ISMS), a management system similar to those recommended by other ISO standards such as ISO 9000 and ISO 40000, ISO 26000 2010. Social responsibilities. It is intended to encourage them to go beyond the legal compliance, recognize that compliance is with law fundamental duty of any organization and any essential part of their social responsibility. ISO 22000 food management system becoming certified to ISO 20000 allows a company to show their outcome that they have a full safety management system in place. In calculate carbon emission and footprint, a carbon footprint amount of greenhouse gases produced by the particular human activity, the global lifestyle consumption carbon emission by the design for that showing the diagram that it reaches up to 10%, that is poorest 10%, that is 1, second that is 1.5, third position 2, 4 2.5, fifth 3, 6 4, 7 8 11, 9 that is a 19 and finally reaches 10%, that is a 49%. This is the overall calculation of carbon emission. The calculation of CO and other greenhouse gas the emission that are responsible for over 12-month period is very important and equal. Step of calculation CO2 emission manually are: first step, that is to calculate the kilowatt hour kWh of your appliances. Next, multiply the kilowatt hours by the emission factors EF for your state. For example, kWh of appliances 7 kWh in Maharashtra, the EF is 0.92 LPL. Now the CO2 per kWh equal to 7 kWh multiplied by 0.92 equal to 6.44 lbs CO2 per kWh. There are no online sites for the estimation of the CO2 and other greenhouse gas emission that you are the responsible. Those are that is created for the myclimate.org site available, taking reference from this particular site. Then case study first of related calculation of CO emission footprint. Step, that is a click on that site bioresources.co.cnr.scos education. If you click on this site, particular site is open, that is bioresources carbon footprint measurement and management case study of school forest enterprises. In this that is the standard approach for the measuring greenhouse gas emission for particular activity, the GHG protocol for specific types of company and the primary sector. The main goal of this was to measure the total carbon footprint and the carbon balance of the school forest enterprises. Case study second, that is related for calculation CO emission footprint. Use step for apply for this. Click on myclimate.org, shows the following windows. In this window, that is showing that myclimate site, first page, home page, 3 tab available: information, get, activate and carbon offset. You click on that carbon offset. Next window appear for the that is a means of transportation. Some questionnaire is available. You can solve this questionnaire, which is the statement is the most accurate for you, that is it almost drive a car. Click on next. Total question available. Solve that questionnaire and final output. In this way you find out that is footprint, that is a total available household 1.9 ton and total CO2 amount 5.210, that means footprint. Mobility 1.60, food 1.7 and household, that is 1.9. Case study rated for compact fluorescent light bulb, that is CFL. The CFL uses less energy and lasts longer than incident bulb. They save you money in the long run because they use less energy and they are better for environment. The one question for here, are CFL really good for environment? Yes, compared to the switching of single 100-watt internal bulb, CFL bulb can be the produce much light and uses a 1/4 of energy. Sustainability of CFL. Click on particular website that is display here, http://energyusecalculator.com. If you click on that, you go to for particular, that is a calculation of cost per hours, cost per day, cost per month, cost per year and kWh per day, that is CFL related. And conventional incident bulb lamp, that is a cost per that is a hour, cost per day, cost per month, cost per year and kWh per day. A two comparison here given. Thank you.